Which gasless MIG welder is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer is not so straightforward. Today, I'm breaking down 5 popular options, what they do well, where they fall short, and who each one's really for. Product number 1, YESWELDER 135A 3-in-1. Let's start with the YESWELDER 135A, a budget-friendly 3-in-1 that handles flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG. At just under $110 and weighing only 11.4 pounds, it's one of the lightest in this roundup. And it comes with a free spool of E71 TGS wire, so you can start welding right out of the box. If you want something portable, easy to set up, and capable of handling mild steel up to 2/5 inch thick without needing shielding gas, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The synergic control means when you adjust the wire feed speed, the voltage automatically matches to a recommended setting. You can still fine-tune it between -3 volt and +3 volt, which gives beginners a safety net while still letting pros dial in precision. The large LED display shows real-time current, so you're never guessing what's happening during a weld. Plus, it supports both .030 and .035 flux core wire, common sizes you'll find at any hardware store. Over 1,000 units sold last month tells me a lot of people are trying this as their first real welder. Now, some people complained about inconsistent arc stability on thicker metals or when pushing it near the 135A limit. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for heavy fabrication. It's built for light DIY, garage projects, and occasional repairs. If you're welding 1/4-inch steel all day, look elsewhere. But for weekend warriors, it holds up. This is perfect for you if you're new to welding, work on cars or home projects, and want one machine that does MIG, stick, and TIG with an extra torch. Skip this one if you need to weld thick steel regularly or demand industrial-grade consistency. For under $110, it's a solid entry point. Product number 2, Best MIG 135A Kit. The Best MIG 135A, also $109.99, but this one includes a welding helmet and gloves, which instantly adds value. It's slightly lighter at 10.7 pounds and comes with ground clamp, electrode holder, and MIG gun already installed. The big sell here is the beginner-ready design. Plug it in, load the wire, and the digital system auto-adjusts voltage and feed speed based on your settings. If you want a no-fuss setup that gets you welding in minutes without gas tanks or complex tuning, this is a strong contender. What makes this stand out is the included auto-darkening helmet, convertible to goggles, and decent leather gloves. Most competitors charge extra for these, so you're saving $30–40 right there. The full-color LED display shows parameters clearly, even in bright sunlight, and the synergic control works smoothly with .030 to .040 flux core wire. It handles materials up to 1/8 inch thick, ideal for thin sheet metal, exhaust repairs, or fence fixes. With 600 plus sold last month, it's clearly hitting a sweet spot for casual users. That said, a few buyers noted the build feels a bit plasticky, and the included gloves aren't the most durable. Expect to replace them after a few heavy sessions. Also, the TIG function requires a separate torch, not included, so don't assume it's truly 3-in-1 out of the box. This is perfect for you if you're starting out, want everything in one box, and prioritize convenience over heavy-duty performance. Skip this one if you plan to do frequent TIG welding or need rugged construction for job sites. For the price, it's a great starter kit. Product number 3, YESWELDER 160A Dual Voltage. If the previous two felt a bit limited on power, the YESWELDER 160A steps it up. At $179.99, it's the most expensive here, but it offers dual voltage, 110 V220V, and a true 168 output, meaning it can handle thicker steel and longer welding runs without overheating. It's also a 4-in-1, gas MIG, flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG. If you want versatility across home projects, automotive work, and light fabrication, this is the most capable machine on the list. The smart synergic control auto-sets voltage and wire speed when you change amperage or wire size, but you can still manually tweak everything, ideal if you're learning or have specific preferences. It supports both 2-pound and 10-pound spools, works with solid and flux core wire, and handles common rods like 6011 and 1718. The large LED display is bright and readable, and at 19.4 pounds, it's still portable enough to carry to a friend's garage or backyard project. Over 500 sold last month shows it's popular with serious DIYers. However, it's heavier than the others, and the higher price might be overkill if you're only doing occasional repairs. Some users also mention the learning curve is steeper due to the extra features. This is perfect for you if you need dual voltage flexibility, plan to weld thicker materials, or want room to grow into more advanced techniques. Skip this one if you're strictly doing light-duty home tasks or on a tight budget. It's the best long-term investment here. Product number 4, Best MIG 145A 4-in-1. That was a solid option, but the next one might actually be even better for mid-range users, the Best MIG 145A. Priced at $149.99, it bridges the gap between entry-level and pro features. It's a 4-in-1 with gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG, dual voltage support, and a claimed 30% efficiency boost over traditional MIG welders. If you want more power than a basic model but don't need industrial capacity, this hits the sweet spot. The upgraded HD LCD display is a big win. It shows voltage, current, and settings clearly, even in direct sun. The synergistic mode auto-adjusts when you change wire diameter or amperage, but manual controls let you fine-tune for specific jobs. It handles steel up to 3 mm thick with minimal spatter, and the included accessory kit is one of the most complete. Helmet, gloves, wires, tips, even a shoulder strap. Over 400 sold last month suggests it's gaining traction among serious hobbyists. On the downside, a few reviewers said the manual is poorly translated, and setup can be confusing at first. Also, like the others, the TIG torch isn't included, so factor that cost in if you plan to use TIG often. This is perfect for you if you're stepping up from beginner gear, need dual voltage, and want a full accessory back. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or only weld once in a while. It's excellent value for the feature set. Product number 5, Futello 145A. Compact. The Futello 145A, the cheapest on the list at just $71.98. Don't let the price fool you. It's a 3-in-1, MIG, stick, lift TIG, outputs up to 145A and weighs only 7.5 pounds. That's lighter than a bag of cement. If you want maximum portability and affordability without completely sacrificing capability, this is the surprise sleeper pick. The smart synergic control makes it beginner-friendly. Just set your wire size or amperage and it auto-adjusts voltage and feed speed. The bright LED display shows real-time data, and it comes with everything you need: gloves, goggles, hammer, wire, rods, and even a wrench. It handles 1 to 5 mm steel, so it's surprisingly versatile for its size. With 400 plus sold last month and a 30-day money-back guarantee, Futello is betting you'll be impressed. But here's the catch. Build quality isn't as robust as the YESWELDER or Best MIG models. Some users reported loose connections after heavy use, and the plastic casing feels less durable. It's great for light work, but don't expect it to survive a construction site. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, weld occasionally, or need something ultra-portable for small repairs. Skip this one if you weld daily or need industrial reliability. For under $75, it's hard to beat for casual use. So which one should you pick? The Futello 145A if you're on a tight budget and weld rarely. The Best MIG 135A if you want a complete beginner kit. The YESWELDER 135A for lightweight simplicity. Step up to the Best MIG 145A for more power and features. Or go all in with the YESWELDER 160A if you need dual voltage and long-term versatility. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly what they are.